Exercise 1.11 Kanji. The following are some of the relatively simple and frequently used kanji characters. A hyphen is added in Romaji to show the pronunciation of each kanji character separated from the surrounding kanji, hiragana, or katakana, if such a division is available. Person. Hito. Nihonjin, a Japanese person. Amerikajin, an American person. Sannin, 3 people. Sun, he, the sun. Nichiyubi, Sunday. Asu, tomorrow. Kyu, today. Kenu, yesterday. Moon, Toke, the moon. Getsuyobi, Monday. Sengetsu, last month. Kongetsu, this month. Raigetsu, next month. Year, age. Toshi, year or age. Kyonen, last year. Kotoshi, this year. Rainen, next year. Manabu, to learn. Gakusei, student. Gaku, school. Daigaku, university. Ikiru, to live. Omariru, to be born. Sensei, teacher. Gakusei, student. Kuru, to come. Kunai, not to come. Rainen, next year. Raishu, next week. Takai, expensive. Koku, high school. Kosokodoro, highway. Watashi, I or me. Shiretsu Daigaku, private university. Exercise 1.11. Read the following words aloud and identify their meanings by referring to their preceding table. For a greater challenge, cover the Romaji as your work and exercise. Yama, Nihonjin, Koru, Kunai, Rainen, Takai, Gakusei. Answer key: Yama, mountain. Nihonjin, Japanese person. Kuru, to come. Kunai, not to come. Rainen, next year. Takai, expensive. Gakusei, student. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!